Okay, good morning, students. Today we will learn the chapter on the face of it. Very important chapter in terms of your board examination because every year long and short questions come from this chapter. It's very important chapter and very interesting chapter also. So it's a kind of play. एक play की तरह है and there is a conversation between two people. दो लोगों के बीच में बात होती है. So the scene starts in the garden of an old man where a small boy entered into the garden, and then the small boy was having lots of negativity, but after confronting with the old man he changed his attitude and filled with positiveness. The boy was withdrawn and defiant. ये बात याद रखना, यहाँ पे एक बात लिखी है, withdrawn and defiant. Withdrawn and defiant means the boy does not like the company of other people. He always likes to run away. भागने की सोचता रहता है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इसमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को आपको मिलेगा अभी कि व्हाट वी शुड लर्न इन आवर लाइफ. क्या हमें सीखना है. सो द फर्स्ट सीन वन, पहला सीन स्टार्ट होता है मिस्टर लैम्स गार्डन से. तो मिस्टर लैम गार्डन, देयर इज द ओकेजनल साउंड ऑफ बर्ड सॉन्ग एंड ऑफ ट्री लीव्स rustling. Derek footsteps are heard as he walks slowly and tentatively through the long grass. He pauses, then walks on again. He comes round a screen of bushes so that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand and Derry is startled. Mr. Lamb, mind apples. Derry, what? Who's that? Who's there? Mr. Lamb, Lamb's my name. Mind apples. Crab apples, those are. Wind falls in the long grass. You could trip. I thought this was an empty place. I did not know there was anybody here. So the scene starts with the lamb garden. Scene one starts with the lamb garden, and there is some occasional sound of bird song and tree leaves were rustling due to air. So the small boy name is Derry. The Derry footstep can be heard because he was walking very slowly and very tentatively, continuously going through the long grass. Then he stops and walks again. He heard a sound of someone who was trying to sing. That was the old man whose name is Mr. Lamb. When both of them came close to each other, Derry, he got startled, means he's surprised. So Mr. Lamb stopped him. He said, "Mind the apples. Let me take care of the apples." He said, "Oh, what? Who's that?" Actually, Derry thought that no one is there in the garden, and he entered into the garden. Then Lamb says, "Lamb is my name." His name was Mr. Lamb, and he said, "Mind the apples. Means take care of the apples, please. These are the crab apples. Due to windfall, it fallen onto the ground. And if you can fall, sorry, if you place your leg, then you may trip, you may fall." So this, I thought this was an empty place. He thought that this was empty place, and he did not know anybody was there or not. These two statements shows that of Derry, that Derry is full of negativity. He was also in fear of facing someone's. Mr. Lamb, that's all right. I'm here. What are you afraid of, boy? That's all right. Really, I thought it was empty, an empty house. Mr. M, so it is. Since I'm out here in the garden, it is empty. Until I go back inside. In the meantime, I'm out here and likely to stop. A day like this, beautiful day, not a day to be indoors. Jerry, I've got to go. Ma'am, not on my account. I don't mind who comes into the garden. The gate is always open. Only you climb the garden. With this very important line, the gate is always open. ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. So I'll explain in my next video about what happens from there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.